Hi, my name is Matthew Moreau with Allocate Realty Group, and today I want to talk about agency. I want to start off by saying that it's required in the state of North Carolina that a real estate agent provide you with what's called the Working Real Estate Agent Brochure, where it explains agency and how a real estate agent can work for you. So there's four main types of agency. You have a buyer agent where they represent the buyer, you have the seller agent where they represent the seller, and then you have dual agency where the agent represents both buyer and seller, and designated dual agency. But I'm going to get to that in a little bit. I first want to start off by saying that whenever you sign a buyer agency agreement or a listing agent agency agreement, what you're doing is you're hiring the firm to work for you, not necessarily that particular agent. So one way that someone could be a dual agent is, for example, that, I list house for a client named, let's say, Matthew. I list Matthew's house. And then I have someone that works in my firm, let's say her name's Leticia, brings the buyer for that house. So even though we're two different agents, we're both under the same firm, and that's still dual agency. So what that would be called is designated dual agency, which differs from dual agency where it's one agent representing both sides. Now, dual agency can become a little complicated because when you're representing both sides, what you have to do is you have to be fair to both sides. So what that doesn't allow you to do is help either one side negotiate over the other side. So for example, if I have a buyer wanting to make an offer on a property where I'm the listing agent and they want my representation, and they say, Matthew, what do you think would be a fair offer? I can't answer that. I have to say, I don't know. You have to tell me what you want to offer. Conversely, the seller can't ask me, do you think they would accept it if we counter back with this number? I can't give any advice on either side. So a lot of times people don't like to do dual agency because of that. Now, a remedy, or what some people will do in this instance, is they'll do what's called designated dual agent, where they'll bring another agent in their firm to represent the other side. In this instance, these two agents can't have any communication about what the buyer or seller is saying.